So today my parcel has finally arrived, new filter I've been waiting for. Certain things in the fish room I don't necessarily like running filters like this, I prefer the airline, but in certain circumstances I need a canister, which is, in this example, I need. Now I won't be saying exactly what it's for because that's for another video, not to do with this. Today I thought I'd do a bit of an equipment review. I have been running Fluval canisters since I started fish keeping, and I've yet to ever have a problem. I worked on a library tank quite a few years ago now, I'd be saying close to 10, and it was a small tank, 30 gallon. I've actually got the old stand here, and it had a 304 Fluval canister. I've still got the 304 Fluval canister, and it still works. Now that tank had been up and running close to, if I remember rightly, 15 years from when I got it. So that plus the time I've had now, that canister has been running. No issues with it. It's had no dramas. It's just, they make it, it works well, so I've stuck with it. The other, it was the first Fluval I've had. The next one, of course, is a canister video, which I will be showing a wee tutorial when I clean it. That I've had close to 8 years, 9 years now, no issues. It replaced an Aqua One canister I had, and it was the biggest joke I've ever had. First day of owning it, clips broke, that got replaced under warranty, and it never worked properly, so swapped it over to the Fluval. The Fluval didn't have an issue. I bought another one of these 106s for the gallon fire tape, which you can, I'll drop a link in the description for you guys to watch if you haven't seen it. So I picked up another one, and you'll see what tank it's going on soon. Now, very basic filters. Hosing, we all know that one. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Apparently something was supposed to read, but as a male, there you go. Stop. Nah, not interested. And what have we got at the bottom? The only important part. Seals. That's about it. More rubbish. Like the foam can go away. Here we go. The one part I like with all my other ones. So easy to clean. Go out, squeeze into a bucket of water, old tank water, so you don't disturb your beneficial bacteria. Straight in. Carbon, that goes away, don't need that. Yeah, got enough of that fly. And I've got a couple of kgs of wire meat, which will be useful. What I've got coming up, I'll be adjusting this slightly. Yeah, they're straightforward. Easy to assemble. I should rip it to bits. It's the wee clip for the impeller. Down. I've seen a red one. That one's clear. It's a new upgrade. Actually, I just quite like that over the other ones. The other one I got, you'll see in the video, is a bit different to that. So that's a new addition. And we have the O-ring. Flip that back, flop it around. There we go. O-ring in, release the cable. Put the canister around. As you can see, it's a wee cable line. Done. Simple as that. As for the rest, that's pretty self-explanatory. I don't know if I'll be running these on the one I've got planned for it. I'll probably be getting some glass ones. Oh, drop that. Yeah, I'll probably be getting some glass still. I don't mind the clear one. Intake tube for the tank. O-rings on the sniff the old one off. And of course, and then you just screw them in. Cut your hoses to suit. Connect them all up. Put your U-bends on. Bob's your uncle. They're pretty easy. You just take this out and show you. Now, it's not like my other one. And I'll drop it. Trust me to be butterfingers. One of my other ones, you just flick them off and slide them through. Newer ones obviously a little bit different from the old one. And it'll help me put that around the wrong way, right way. On, across, real tight. There you go. Slide that up. And clip on, done. And that goes into your tank like that. It was actually that was harder than it simply was. I like the old one. These were connected. And you just fed it through, push in, done. Now, do the other one here. Just these clips are annoying to get out. Just about need more than one set of fingers. Yeah, stop it. Slide you up. I'm going to try and be smart. And then cut the hose to suit. I don't like how they shipped it with this bending. It would have been nicer, I should have got them to send me a bit more. But just before people say anything, I'm not getting any benefits for doing a video on Fluval. This is just basically my experiment. I'm not being paid for it, I haven't been given it. I paid hard cash to get the Fluval. I love running Fluval. They're easy, straightforward to clean, reliable, and they do their job perfectly. Oh well, that's it for this video. Stay tuned to see what happens with the with this filter. Thanks for your out.